Hello friends, this is Sunil from Ads Optimizer. Friends, today we will discuss about how to improve Alexa ranking. Friends, I know already you have gone a lot of video from YouTube regarding the same. But friends, always we recommend those kind of methods that really works. And friends, I'll show you that this method is getting to improve Alexa ranking. So friends, first of all, just I'm telling about how about what is Alexa ranking. Friends, Alexa is a kind of numerical rating for websites. Suppose your website has Alexa rank of more than 1 lakhs, and in the same time your competitor website is Alexa rank is 75,000. So how to know which website is more popular? So the website has 75,000 Alexa rank. That means this website is more popular rather than other website. It means if your website Alexa rank is less, it means your website is more popular. So Alexa ranking, it's a kind of ranking for website, and this denotes popularity of your website. So friends, now we will discuss about how to improve Alexa rank. So friends, already I have written those points, those methods in the notepad. So friends, this is the notepad, and the question is how to improve Alexa ranking, and we can improve Alexa ranking by doing the following activities. So friends, we can do these kind of activities for our website. So definitely your website Alexa rank would be better from the previous month, from the previous weeks. So friends, the first option is guest posting. The guest posting means if your website PA means page authority and domain authority. So if your website page authority and domain authority, you should, first of all, you should check what is what is your PANDA. So friends, just search PANDA checker website, your online. So here is the website. Just type here. Just simply type your website or whatever the website, and just click on CAPTCHA, and then just hit on check. So now, what is the PA5 and what is the TA5 and PA is 18. So friends, guest posting means always you should check those kind of guest posting who has always better PADA rather than your website. If your website has PADA 20 and 30, so you should find out guest posting site for more than 30-40 PADA. Then obviously, if a website has more PADA, so definitely the website will be more popular and the website will be more traffic. So simply you will get a better citation for your website. So your website will be marked as a trusted thing on the Google. So definitely your website Alexa rank would be better rather than previous week or previous months. The second option is website URL submission. Friends, previously we had submitted our website on the Google, Bing and Yahoo to index the fasting, to index our website. So Simply the same way, if you want to submit your website in maximum search engine, so simply type on Google website URL submission. So just type here website URL submission. So definitely we'll know about definitely we'll know about the free submission site. So simply type here and like here, just simply you type your URL, email name, phone number, and then submit now. Then similarly here is one more website, airplane. Again a airplane. Submit your site. So name, first name, last name, phone number, email ID, and then submit your site. So this kind of, you have to find this kind of website and simply submit your sites. Simply you submit your site on this kind of website. Then obviously your website will be more popular. So this is the second thing. And the third option is bounce rate should be lower. So friends, if you want to get your website bounce rate, so simply log in your analytics.google.com and you will know about what is your bounce rate. So simply you should work for bounce rate. You should submit a quality content, submit a unique content. Parallel, you should work on website user interface. So this kind of things will work for your bounce rate. So definitely your bounce rate would be lower. So if your website rate should be lower, then your Alexa rank would be better. And the fourth one is create more quality backlinks. So friends, I know all of you know about what is backlinks. So friends, we don't need to go in rush to create more and more backlinks. Friends, here we need to create quality backlinks. So friend, first of all, find out the backlinks list, then search those websites PANDA, and if the website PANDA is more than 20, 30, so you should go for those kind of website for backlinks. So friends, please create more quality backlinks. Don't go for a lot of backlinks. Simply work on quality backlinks. And the fifth point is need to submit the website URL to other search engine except for Google and Bing. Friends, just we configure our website for Google Webmaster, Bing Webmaster. So simply you can find out Yahoo Webmaster and other search engine webmasters. So simply you should configure those kind of webmaster for your website. So definitely we will know what kind of traffic you're getting from a different kind of search engines. So accordingly you can work those kind of keywords, and accordingly you can work to analyze the data for different kind of webmaster. And the next thing is try to add the listing on Bing.com. Friends, I know all of you know about Google business listing, Google My Business listing. So friends, Google listing is very good thing for any kind of business. So similarly we should add the listing on Bing.com. if you add the listing on Bing.com, so definitely you will get the traffic from Bing.com as well as Google. And if somebody is looking for any kind of sub services, and if our listing would be there, just I'm showing you Bing.com. If you would search here ads optimizer, so here is the website. But if your listing would be here, if somebody will search digital marketing agency, social media marketing agency, and if your listing would be here, like search scroll mantra, yes, here is the listing. So if your listing would be here, so simply you will get the traffic from here. You will get the traffic from here to your website. So this traffic would be less bounce rate, and if the website would be less bounce rate, it means a better Alexa rank. And the next point is social bookmarking. Friends, you know about social bookmarking. There are a lot of social bookmarking website. Simply search on Google social bookmarking site list. So these are the top 10 social bookmarking site list. These are the top 10: Reddit, Twitter, Pinterest, StumbleUpon, VHeart, Scoop, Dig, Slashdot, PocketBiz, Sugar. So similarly here are a lot of website, and already here given what is the Alexa rank. 56. 6 means more popular. 56 means it's a less popular. So these are the Alexa rank. So friends, you should register your website to this kind of social bookmarking sites, and you should submit your content here. So definitely your Alexa rank would be more popular. And the last option is social sharing. So you know about social media channels, Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn. So friends, always share your links to on these social media platforms like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, LinkedIn. So definitely your Alexa rank would be better. So friends, these points will work, definitely will work, if you will implement those things for your website. How do you trust us? You know, this is the point now. How do you trust us? So friends, this is the SEO report spreadsheet. So friends, here I have added 13/5/2020, means 30th of May. Global is 290 and India rank is 58. That is the ASEAN. So simply just I'm typing here ASEAN Community News. So this is the website this I'm talking about. And if I'll click on Alexa, so friends, 56 here, and friends here 58. So simply we have worked from 30th May, and now is 16 May. There is a difference, yes. And here is 290, and what is the here is a 281. It means we are getting little bit lower Alexa rank. It means if we do this kind of work on our website or to your website, so definitely your Alexa rank will be better from previous weeks, previous months. So friends, this is all for today. Friends, please watch this video, and please share this video to your friends and family, so they will get advantage, they will take some advantage from this video. And if somebody is facing any kind of Alexa ranking, so definitely they will do such kind of things on their website, and definitely Alexa rank would be better. So friends, there is one more request: please subscribe our channel. So definitely we'll get awesome techniques for SEO that really works. And if you have any kind of questions, so please comment us. Please comment us on the below video. We'll love to answer those questions. So thank you. Have a good day. Take care. Bye.